Create telemetry to enable seeing and solving problems. Telemetry. If a feature is important enough to be implemented, then it's important enough to generate production telemetry to ensure operability and functionality. Developers can use telemetry in their applications to diagnose problems in workstations. Ops can use telemetry to diagnose production problems. Logging entries. Logging potentially significant events ensures reliable and secure operations. This includes authorization and authentication, data access, application changes, data changes, invalid input, etc. To make the log entries easier to understand, categories such as performance, security, search and ranking should be used. Logging events helps everyone understand the application. Metrics are important to quickly finding problems. Collecting system information can help to quickly fix and find problems as they are occurring. Creating graphs from metrics helps to visually detect conditions that might reveal problems. Placing the metric data somewhere everyone can see it allows all to see when a problem might be taking place. Track everything. If engineering at Etsy has a religion, it's the Church of Graphs. If it moves, we track it. Sometimes we'll draw a graph of something that isn't moving yet, just in case it decides to make a run for it. Tracking everything is key to moving fast, but the only way to do it is to make tracking anything easy. We enable engineers to track what they need to track at the drop of a hat, without requiring time-sucking configuration changes or complicated processes. Levels are important. Debug level, logging anything that happens in the program, usually disabled in production. Info level, highlights processes taking place within the application. Warn level, lets us know of anything potentially becoming an error. Error level, an error has taken place that may allow the application to continue. Fatal level notifies us to terminate. When deciding whether a message should be error or warn, imagine being woken up at 4 a.m. Low printer toner is not an error. Avoid blame culture. When team members don't work to solve problems in a disciplined manner, the metric mean time until declared innocent is used. When there is blame culture around the outages and problems, people end up being more hesitant to log changes and display telemetry. Lack of public telemetry leads to charged political atmospheres, need to deflect accusations, inability to discover the why behind the issues, and how to prevent them in the future. Conclusion. Keeping track of what is done and the results helps solve current problems and prevent future problems. Writing detailed entries is incredibly useful, since there is nothing worse than a complex entry assuming you know everything about the application.